Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. Anyone new to this channel, my name is Dai, and today I'm going to show you how to make these incredible cute little fish. These are called whitebait. So whitebait is a collective term used for young fish. In the UK we typically use sprats or young herring. So they're typically about 1 to 2 inches in length. And the great thing about whitebait is you can eat everything from head to tail, just seasoned with some salt. Today I'm going to serve the whitebait simply with a wedge of lemon and this awesome mayonnaise fused with chili sauce and this special 7 blend of spice called shimi. I just want to say thank you to everyone that's left a comment in the last couple of videos since our comeback. I just want to say we read every single one of them and we love reading them. If you haven't done so already, click the subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and you'll be notified when we make new videos, which we try and do every single week. Let's crack on. So to make some nice little lemon wedges, just cut the ends off the lemon, then cut into pieces, then finally cut off the pith with your knife. Put around 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise into a bowl. So this is a Japanese 7 blend of spice. You can buy this in most Asian supermarkets. If you can't find this, you can just use regular chili powder. So add 1 teaspoon of this pepper into the bowl. Today I'm using sriracha chili sauce, but you can use any other sauce, but I find this works really well with this dish. So add around 1 teaspoon of sriracha to the bowl, and then combine well. To start with, we're going to prepare the flour that we're going to put the fish through. So we need 200 grams of plain flour, all-purpose flour. Next, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. Next, add 1 tablespoon of salt. And then finally, around 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Next, combine thoroughly. Make sure to coat the whitebait thoroughly with the flour. Next, bring a pan of vegetable oil up to heat to around 180 degrees Celsius. Take your whitebait and just shake off any excess flour and then carefully add to the pan. Turn over after around 1 minute of cooking. Next, drain your whitebait onto some paper towel. If you're using a lot of whitebait, separate them into batches. You don't want to overfill the pan in one go. Transfer your whitebait to a bowl. And season with a little bit of salt. Toss well and get all of that salt all over the whitebait. All that's left to do now is serve up. So I hope you enjoyed watching that video. Come in for a closer look. What do you think? I absolutely love whitebait. This is a firm favourite in British pubs. It's a perfect accompaniment with a nice cold glass of beer. Just going to drizzle the whitebait with some lemon. Get over it. Let's get some more in there. Salt and lemon fish is the perfect marriage of flavours. There we go. Itadakimasu. I'm going to eat this without the mayonnaise first, just to get a taste of it. It's still quite hot. So good. So salty and moorish. It's quite sweet, slight bitterness of the fish. Nice crunch from the outside. Let's dip this into the mayonnaise next. Oh yeah. Really, really good. Some might be put off by eating a whole fish, but honestly, you can't feel any of the bones. The crunch mainly comes from the outside of the coating. A little close up for you here. Perfectly browned on the outside. Still quite hot. And that mayonnaise is beautiful. It's got a really nice aromatic flavour to it from that 7-spice blend. And that sriracha just adds that extra oomph, that garlic. Really good spicy mayonnaise. This is exactly the kind of spicy mayonnaise that a lot of sushi restaurants use on their spicy rolls. You try it at home, it's so easy. I could honestly eat a whole bucket of these. So moreish. A slight peppery taste from the paprika. Good amount of salt, nice and savoury. Kick from the spicy mayonnaise. Quality. So deep frying aside, these are really good for you. They're really high in nutrients, high in omega-3 and also high in calcium. Thanks for watching everyone. Until next time. Bye bye.